So once again, good evening. And this is Power BI demo session. There are two demo classes. Today is the first demo and tomorrow is the second demo. Two demo classes. The two demo classes. I planned for this content. This is the first demo content. And this is second demo content. And before I move to demo part, I would like to brief myself and what I'm going to cover today and tomorrow that I will explain you. Kindly focus. So my name is Vinay. And this is my contact number. And I'm working as a BA lead consultant. And the duration of the course is 50 to 60 hours. It's a normal track training. Daily 1 hour is the class timing. Monday to Friday, compulsory sessions. And Saturday, depending on the student's interest. But monthly 2 Saturdays, we are having sessions. Duration, time, number of days. And we provide along with the training, daily live class videos. And you will have access up to 1.5 years. And you will get 2 near real-time projects and multiple case studies. A solid theory and practical material also you will receive from the institution. And coming to prerequisites, no prerequisite. In case you are having some Excel knowledge, some SQL knowledge, sufficient, you can start up Power BI. Even you don't have, still you can start up. No prerequisite. Coming to qualification, any graduate can learn Power BI. No restriction. And what type of component it is? Is it coding or graphical? Power BI is fully graphical user interface component. And it is having low code. People like Power BI because of low code. And coming to the current training, basics to advanced level, I'm going to cover each and every topic. In case you guys are looking for fast track or customized training for 1 month, yes, Friday we have a demo. I'm not the trainer, a different trainer, and he is taking the fast track or customized training. Reach out on this number. I take only normal track, which is for 50 to 60 hours. Right. And I'm going to cover in this 2 months training, project environment concepts like data warehousing fundamentals, data modeling fundamentals, Agile methodology, GitHub versioning. These things I cover. And 2 near real-time projects, multiple case studies also. And I'll give you database understanding 3 to 4 hours. In real time, you may work with databases. While working with databases, you require a language called SQL. That language understanding 3 to 4 hours I will provide you. Sir, is it sufficient? It is not sufficient for interviews and to work in the real time. Compulsory, you need to take complete end-to-end course of SQL from anywhere. Even we also offer. Your wish, where do you want to take? But whatever the topics I prioritize, there are 9 topics. These you need to have good knowledge. You are not going to work as an SQL developer. So overall understanding plus 9 concepts, detailed understanding is helpful to survive along with BA component. Any BA, not only Power BI, Tableau, ClickView, MSBA, any BA you go, compulsory SQL knowledge is required, minimal SQL. So do you need to learn SQL first? No need. I will take 3 to 4 hours. After that, you can start your SQL at any time before you go for interviews. There is a possibility that we may work with databases in the real time. So SQL minimal understanding required. And I will take cube sessions for 2 hours, tabular cube sessions. Cube is also one kind of database. That specialized database concept, 2 hours I'm going to take. And you require resume preparation, FAQs, mock interviews for the job trials. So those I'm going to focus more and more. So this is environment related components. Coming to Power BI subject. Power BI level cloud components available, on-premises components available. Cloud, we use Microsoft storage to keep the reports, manage the reports. On-premises components, we will install the servers in our local area. We store and manage the reports. So there are 2 areas. One is Microsoft storage, second one on-premises. In our company level, we install the servers, we place the reports, we manage the reports. I'm going to cover in this class cloud as well as on-premises. Both I'm covering. And give you little understanding about Power Apps and Power Automate. These 2 understanding also I will provide. So this is the 2 months agenda in this class. So what all you require is you need patience. So do you need to learn these many topics? If you learn, first of all, your resume suitable for the opportunities. Second, once you join in the MNCs, you are suitable for any kind of project. If you just learn 5 topics, 10 topics, and important topics, 100% not possible to survive in the organizations. And you may work with databases, you may work with cubes, you may work with files. But if you want to handle all this understanding is compulsory. So the content is designed based on the real-time working environment base. And if you learn this part, 70 to 80% certification also, 70 to 80% certification part also covered. And there is a certification for Power BI, usually senior resources will write, and the exam is PL 300. This is the exam. And DA 100 also. If you want to write that exam, you will get qualified by learning this. 70 to 80%. Sir, what about 20%? The 20% you need to read some manuals, some reference books. And that also I will suggest for the people who are preparing for the exam. DA 100 or PL 300, any exam. Done. Now coming to institution side, we provide theory practical material. And the training is fully practical oriented training. And you will be having good interaction with me. FAQs discussed in the classroom, WhatsApp, and Zoom, and many areas. Daily live class videos are shared. And we conduct resume preparation sessions as well. One WhatsApp group is created for our technical questions, concerns, discussions. It is open for everyone. Anyone can ask any question. And after completing my course, you will be in a position to try below 5 years in Power BI. So related to Power BI, till 5 years you can claim, not more than that. So you can keep less than 5 years and try for the opportunities. And in the market, more opportunities, Power BI developer, DAX, and SQL, more opportunities. And you will find some more opportunities, Power BI resource, support resource, admin resource also. And my course cover admin responsibilities, my course cover support resource responsibilities. So you can happily try on this. In case you want to try in the combination, you are an MSBI resource, Tableau resource, Azure resource, or synapse ratios. This combination also you can try. In the market, we have opportunities on this combination also. So these are the opportunities available. Sir, I want to keep more than 5 years experience. In Power BI, not possible. And my training is not suitable because more modeling, more designing, more specialization, they will expect in Power BI that you will get by working 1 or 2 projects end to end. Without working 1 or 2 projects end to end, you cannot try for these positions. By learning, you cannot try simply. Practical experience required, real-time viewing is required. But these, okay, you can try. Fine. Right. Coming to the videos, how do we share the videos? Very simple process. For each batch, we create a folder. Even people purchase videos from our institute. For every batch, we have folder. Let me take previous 5 p.m. batch. So that batch completed and your batch I'm starting. What are the sessions I conducted? This is the April 5 p.m. batch and lab backup, all videos, Excel application, interview guidance sheet. And when you click all videos, day 1, day 2, day 3 available here. Day wise available. The complete spoon feeding way, you will get the material as well as videos. Everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. So material is fine. You can ask me a quick question. Sir, anybody selected from your organization? So not 1 or 2, many people. Some people learning very, very good. Some people average, some people not utilizing properly. It's purely their interest. I'll show you a couple of feedback statements who all got recently. Kindly look into. So this person, 2nd May, he got job. There are many people. Hi, sir. Good afternoon. Finally got the offer letter from Source Solutions. Right. Next one. Coming to today's demo part. So today demo is completely theoretical demo, where I'm going to explain data to Microsoft Fabric hierarchy. And this explanation you will not find in YouTube and many places. Kindly listen to it properly. With my experience, my creativity, my knowledge, I'm concluding this. Data to Microsoft Fabric hierarchy. If you're clear with this, then you can start up Power BI happily. If you're not clear with this, you cannot start up. You'll be missing the basics. And if you have any questions, you can call me on this number. And my timings, 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. and 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. These are the timings. So before I start up this, and the demo session continued till 6:10 p.m. So far I explained about my personal traits. Second one, what are the tools and components I'm going to cover in the next 2 months? Third one, what exactly we provide from the institution side as part of your learning, and what are the opportunities you are eligible for? This is the part I covered. Now I'm going to explain this part. Data to Power Platform to Fabric. This hierarchy I'm going to explain. And before that, if you have any generic questions related to demo, kindly take your mic and ask. All right, listen to it. Ask me your questions.
Sir, hello, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, Power BI, why you are used for Power BI, sir? Please tell me.
Yeah, that's what I'm going to explain. Kindly listen to the demo.
Okay, sir.
Right.
Thanks.
So this is a hierarchy I'm going to explain next 40 minutes. You all must have good knowledge on this hierarchy. First, know about data. What is data? Anything you are able to store is called data. And the current IT industry, we have three types of data: structured data, semi-structured data, unstructured data. And one more thing, online people, please don't write anything, even offline people. If you started writing, you cannot enjoy the session. Second thing, I'm not going to type in the notepad or any area. It kills my time and your time. I have wonderful presented screenshots. Those I will explain it. Watch it. We are in the business intelligence field. Now, wherever you go, AI, we're empowering our skills. But still, if you go with a notepad and writing notes, that will not give you anything. Whatever the screenshots I'm explaining, you'll get in the video, you'll get in the material. Just take printout and watch it or read it. What is the need of writing again? So we have three types of data in the market. First one, structured data. Second one, semi-structured. Third one, unstructured. Knowingly or unknowingly, everyone working with all the types of data. Structured. Structured looks like this. Table format, column by column data available. This is called structured data. Excel, if you go to Excel, we type column by column data. So it's a structured application. So database tables, Excel kind of applications come under structured. Semi-structured, JSON file, XML file. These are special metadata files used for specific operations. And they look like this. So it is an XML file. University, student ID 1, name John, age 18, degree BSc. This is not fully structured like this. It is partially structured, so we call it as semi-structured. And this is an XML file. Unstructured, your social media data, your WhatsApp, your Twitter, your Instagram, your Gmail data, your PDF data. We never follow any order. We never follow any protocol. We type whatever we feel comfortable. So that is unstructured. Your social media, WhatsApp, Twitter, like this. This is unstructured. So these are the three types of data available in IT industry. Power BI is the only one BI tool in the market which provides support to all the types of data. Take contemporary tools of Power BI, Tableau, ClickView, and many tools available in the market which compete Power BI. But Power BI is upfront when compared to all because of its wonderful support to this data. Whatever the data you have, yes, you can connect to Power BI.
Hello.
You can generate a report.
Hello.
Got clarity? Yes, please.
Hello.
Yes.
May I ask you one question?
Yes.
In real-time project, how they can provide data like structured data or semi-structured?
It
How
could
they
be
will
anything. It
provide
could
us?
be anything.
Okay.
If it is only one, I would have
Means
explained only one.
we can call semi-structured data in SQL. It's,
SQL is not
SQL
semi-structured.
data is what about it? It's
Pardon?
coded.
Pardon?
It's coded data.
Which one?
It is in coded SQL data.
SQL is not at all a data object. SQL is a language which is used to work with.
SQL server. I mean SQL server.
An SQL server is
Data
a
in SQL Server.
SQL server is a database, but
Okay.
SQL server level table data, if you have, that is structured. And SQL server nowadays, it has unstructured, semi-structured data support also, because file formatted
Okay.
data, graphical formatted data, you can keep in SQL server. So that is a complete different
Okay.
story. But for the time being, try to understand or call me after the session. I will explain in detail. Next, this data, companies maintaining in two places. One is file format. Even we guys maintain in file format. Second way, database table format. So IT level, there are two formats of data, file and database. And we keep this data in two places. One is on premises. We'll maintain our servers, we'll maintain our hard disk area and place the data. And second one, we'll go to cloud and place it, somebody else storage area. And today you will receive the demo video in the cloud only. That is a Google Drive cloud. Today you will receive the data in a cloud. That is a Google Drive cloud. And knowingly or unknowingly, you all guys working on premises and cloud. Most of the laptops nowadays syncing with OneDrive and many other drives. So firstly, they're keeping their data in their local storage, C drive, D drive, and they're syncing with the OneDrive. So on premises and cloud, they are using. Even our mobile information, the contacts, the videos, the photos, firstly in our mobile device. And at the end of the day, end of the week, we are moving to Samsung cloud, Apple cloud, etc. area. So companies maintaining three types of data in two formats, two storages. Clear? Right. Now IT applications. In the current market, you are able to see many applications. Java, .NET, Python, ASP, PHP, mainframe, SAP, Power BI, Tableau, many applications. And they are basically meant for two purposes. Couple of applications for business running and couple of applications for business analysis. And you guys chosen a path to move into business analysis. You never involved in business running. So you always participate in the organization level, organizational growth by providing analytical data. So after learning this course, you will be in a position to provide analytical data to the organization so that they will take effective decisions, appropriate decisions. So what is business running application? Technically, in IT level, we call it as OLTP, online transaction processing. This is a technical terminology, online transaction processing. Logically, when we speak, business running application. And you guys working, and we all working knowingly or unknowingly, these applications daily. You are booking a movie ticket. At the end of the ticket, you will receive a message, transaction successful. When you send money to somebody else, you will get a message, transaction successful. When you book a train ticket, you will get a message, transaction successful. So these all come under OLTP applications. So whatever the applications providing transaction success, transaction failure, those applications come under OLTP, online transaction processing. So general public, use forms. You want to book a train ticket, how do you book? You will fill the details in the form only. But how? Via web, a web application, irctc.co.in. Via desktop, you will reach the ticket counters. They will open a machine, and the machine level, they will fill the form. Third one, mobile app. So nowadays, we do the business operations in three platforms, web, mobile, and desktop. But ultimately, we use a form and we fill the details in the form. Once the transaction is successful, the details stored in an area called transactional storage. What is the storage? Transactional storage. So what is business running application? And how does it happen? I clearly explain in this area. Is this clear? But you are not bothering about this. Your objective is taking this data and providing analysis. Business analysis. Take the same example. When you book a train ticket, you will see the information like PNR number, amount, number of passengers, starting date, end date, train number, etc. in this area, the booking information. But as part of analysis, management decisions, we never use this information. Management people always expect in today's booking, how many trains having full booking, how many trains not having any booking, which region having highest sale, which region having a lowest sale. That is the information required, which means from this, we need to create information like this. From the normal data, we need to create information like this. How is it possible? And what do you call these applications? Since they are suitable for analysis, we call logically analysis applications. Technically, OLAP applications, online analytical processing applications. Since intelligence data you are finding in this area, people call it as BA area, business intelligence area. But how do we present, sir, this information? This information presented by using a report or dashboard. Who will use it? Management team or a high-level team, whoever participate in the analysis. But how many ways they see the information? Via web, via desktop and mobile. But how come you move this normal data into this? There is a process called analytical process or BA process. So you guys will get this kind of data. You implement the BA process and generate a report or dashboard where management team will view through web, desktop, and mobile presentations. Got clarity? What is your objective? Your objective, generating a report or dashboard from the data. And how many ways management people will see? Via web, via desktop, via mobile. But how do we convert? By using a process called BA process, business intelligence process. Everyone understood? This is your environment. You should not say no. If you're not clear, you need to ask me multiple times till you get clear.
Hello.
But don't feel Stan is explaining something different.
Hello.
Yes, please.
This means first one is data, and second one is we are working on it. That is explaining, right?
Right, analysis information.
Yes, they will provide this data, and we have to convert it into this
Excellent.
report
They
and
will
dashboard.
provide, a company
like
people will
Python,
provide this kind of data, and we need to generate this kind of data. I'll give you a little more. Say this.
Okay, thank you.
Now, BI. What is business intelligence? It is a process of converting normal data into decision-making data. So in business intelligence applications level, input is data. It may be anywhere, any store, any format. Output is report or dashboard. So once you join in the companies, you may work with any type of data, anywhere data may be. And finally, you produce a report or dashboard. So what are the differences between report and dashboard? If you show low-level data, that is a report. Low-level, detailed data. If you keep high-level data, that is a dashboard. One example. Savings account, banking environment I'm explaining. In banking environment, your savings account, withdraw. It is a report. Withdraw information. Savings account, deposit is a report. But coming to dashboard level, savings account, withdraw, deposit, etc. Multiple operations will take in a single area. That is a dashboard. So one is low level presentation component, one is high level presentation component. And company level, more reports available, more reports. And dashboards always limited because high level presentation components, these are limited. If you join an MNC or any company, you will work on data and you create hundreds of reports. You, in the sense, your team create hundreds of reports and limited dashboards. And the report looks like this, detailed data. Dashboard looks like this, high level data. So what is BI? What is input? What is output? Clear? Don't worry, I will give you the screenshots. Read at home in detail. I cannot read each and every line here.
Hello, excuse me.
Yes, please.
Report is nothing but small data, and dashboard is
No,
nothing but
we will
high-
discuss,
high-
sir. We'll discuss,
good
sir.
data.
No, we will discuss.
Okay.
I will give you time. Please ask all your questions in that time.
Okay.
Yeah, Vinay.
Let us everyone questions. Don't worry.
Yeah, Vinay. Hello.
Yes, please.
So the PPT and theory part which you are explaining, that is understandable. But if you same thing, if you do it in a small, like a chart wise, how it is converting, that is,
tomorrow's
the
agenda.
impact will be more.
Yeah, I'm an experienced trainer, Kodesh.
Yeah, that
And
is what my feedback. Yeah, that is what.
No, Kodesh. I'm an very experienced trainer. Point number one. And what all you require for interviews to work happily in the companies, definitely I will give you in the same way. You require only patience.
Yeah.
So I restricted myself to theoretical part today because this I cannot cover anywhere. Even in the regular classes, I will not touch. Regular class, I will not touch, guys. So only one day. And tomorrow, one practical explanation part. This is complete practical part tomorrow. Okay, Kodesh?
Tomorrow same time. 6.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah.
No, after taking multiple demo classes and multiple batches, we came to one conclusion. We all trainers, yes, this is the best way. So people will understand the subject properly. Beginners to experience everyone. Right, sir. Now, and you all need to practice tomorrow example as well. Don't worry. So guys, next 10 minutes, I'm muting 10-15 minutes. Later, guys, please give me 10 to 15 minutes. Let me finish my set. Ask all your questions. Give me 10-15 minutes. I would like to take without interruption. Right. So this is your normal data. Using BI process, we are converting into decision-making data like this. Fine. But what is BI process? This is important. The general public, they use web platform, mobile platform, desktop platform, multiple platforms. They place information. That is transactional data. And management team on the right-hand side, via web, mobile, desktop, they see output data. That output is a report or dashboard. And some people say this data is BI data, business intelligence data. And you guys, after learning Power BI, Tableau, or any BI tool, you convert this normal data into business intelligence data. But you cannot convert directly. We have a process. Any BI project, same process. And that process I'm explaining focus. So first one, your daily data, transactional data, using ETL tools, extract, transform, load, extract, transform, load. Using ETL tools, we need to move to huge warehouses, huge sized warehouses. So this is the first part, our first layer, and this is second layer. And daily you keep the data so that history you can maintain, and incremental data you can maintain, and more storage also you can maintain. And companies also recommending, take any organization. So they use one ETL tool, bring the data and move into warehouse, huge storages. And warehouse level, we maintain terabytes to petabytes of data, TB to PB. Terabytes to petabytes. But this complete data are not suitable for analysis. We need required data for analysis. And we take the required data into a separate storage area that is specific data. And whatever the aggregates we want to create, like sum, average, count, max, min, all we create. Whatever the analytics we want to perform, like top, bottom, etc., those analytics we place in this area. So Cube is a special database storage area, which is suitable for aggregate analytical operations. Once the storage is ready, reporting tools can easily present data in the reports and dashboards. So this is the third area, this is the fourth area. So a good BI system follows these 4 layers mandatorily. There are no other layers. One, data gathering. This is data gathering, your daily data gathering. And this is data storage. And this is specific data storage. And this is data presentation. These are the 4 layers. So in between 90 to 2005. Why, sir? Because this process given early 90s, 90 to 2005, if any company want to implement, they need to purchase one ETL tool, one warehouse, one cube, one reporting tool. They must purchase. So multiple tools they need to purchase, multiple resources they need to recruit, multiple setups also required. Very costly approach, but still MNC is not compromised. They used it. And my career started in this area only first. Very long back, my career started in this area, especially ETL and warehousing platform. And all of a sudden, my customer asked, we heard Microsoft released a new component where we can do all easily, this end-to-end process. That is MSBA. So we are entering into our part. I'm going to address why Power BI, what it does. MSB announced in 2005 by Microsoft with an on-premises support. All the servers you can install in your company. But the advantage is MSBA available as a suite in the market. Suite with 3 major tools. This is a first tool, this is a second tool, this is a third tool. MSBA having 3 tools to perform end-to-end operations. So this is the first tool, SSIS. Second tool, analysis services. Third tool, reporting services in this area. Anyway, SQL Server database available for storage. But one question you can ask me, sir, if it is doing end-to-end support, then why Power BI? Am I right? And before Power BI, Microsoft released MSBA. And even MSBA till this day, it is having wonderful market. If you keep your resume in the Naukri, LinkedIn somewhere, 100% you will get the call on MSBA. How come? Because of its strength. Then why Power BI? Now I'm going to address that answer. Listen to it. So MSBA released in 2005. And it is having versions like 2008, 8R2, 12. These are software versions. Every 2 to 3 years, there is a new version MSBA. And 2005, though it was released, MNCs did not like to use it. So Microsoft decided, why don't we attract MNCs? So that's the reason in 8, they added more features. And they took 3 years of time, not 1, 2 years. Microsoft MSBA, first release to second release, 3 years time they took. They added wonderful features. And that is the reason 2008 onwards, Microsoft is the leader in the analytics and BI. So if you question yourself, if I learn Microsoft BI, either Power BI, MSBA, does it have market? 100%. What about life? Yes, long-lasting life. What all you need to do is believe and run. So can you show me the statistics? From 2008, Microsoft is a leader in analytics and BA. I will show you with some screenshots, some URL statistics. Kindly focus. Your friend might ask you, hey, MSB not having any market, Power BI not having any market, why are you learning? You should convince all these points. So this is one organization who usually rate IT applications, tools, components. That organization is Gartner. And there is one more organization called Forrester Wave. Both the organizations said Microsoft is a leader. They did not mention Power BI or MSBI. Microsoft is the leader even in 2022 for analytics and BA platforms. And this is the point very important. Today, we are announcing that 15th consecutive year, Microsoft has been positioned as a leader. 15th consecutive year. 15th. And see this, leaders. Microsoft is a leader. Tableau, ClickView. These are also part of leaders, but this is on top. And these are all normal components. These are all challengers. Even one more I will show you. See this link. This is a little old link, but kindly view it. Power BI market share. BA jobs demand grows as it dominates the market. And if you see this, they clearly mentioned 21. In 21, Microsoft Power BI having 30% share. That means if 100 projects are there, 36 projects in Power BI only. And 2022, the share increased to 42%. I missed the link, but in 2022, 42. If 100 projects are there, 42% projects in Power BI only. See this, Tableau, ClickView, SAP Analytics, IBM Cognos Analytics, different tools. These are genuine statistics. Nobody created it. Market statistics. Okay, so that is good. Microsoft is a leader. Fine. Then why Power BI again? If MSBI brought the leadership, why Power BI? So MSBI is the first BA from the Microsoft as a suite to perform end-to-end operations, but it has some drawbacks. The first drawback is MSBI architecture purely designed before 2004 market. The architecture, the engine architecture, engine capability, application support before 2004 market. So is there any change after 2004? Yes. We are using Facebook. In which year it was released? Facebook in 2004. And we are working with apps, mobile tab apps. From which year? More and more 2008 onwards. Mobile and tab apps. And cloud is available from 2006 very highly in the market. So there are many changes in the IT after 2004. So MSB does not have that support. That is a major drawback. Second one, it is only on-premises solution. No cloud or less cloud support. And MSB, no mobile and tab-friendly operation. At the beginning of our class today, I said there are different types of data available in the market, hundreds of data sources. But MSB connect to only limited 15 to 20 data sources only it can connect. Sources like files, databases, 15 to 20, not many. In case MSB report you want to keep in your company website level or in your Twitter level, not possible. That is called embedding. Embedding also not possible in MSBA. Compulsory average coding is required in MSBA. And MSBA development time, the market visuals, market requirements are different. So limited visuals and lightweight visuals available. And one more drawback, every 2 to 3 years, there is a change in MSBA. That's why it is missing the market gap. So Microsoft decided, why don't we release one more BA with more power, more capability, and for the current market support. That more is Power BA. So Power BA, adding more power to existing BA. More power. It is not an accidental name. They given intentionally to tell to the market that we increase our power of existing BI. So what do you mean by the power? First one, we have support to cloud and on-premises. First advantage. Mobile and tab friendly possible. Wherever you want to place Power BI report or dashboard, you can happily place. Any type of data input it can work on, structured, semi-structured, unstructured, no matter. And it has stunning visuals, which shows better insights, wonderful insights. And low code. You need not write much code here. Very less code you need to write. That too, if your requirement having many business logics, then write it, otherwise not required. If you're generating a normal report, no need to write any logic. All the facilities available in Power BI. Tomorrow you will see that in the practical part. And on top of all, the most beautiful feature, monthly update. Every month you will get a new update. So no BA tool in the market, business intelligence tool in the market, which has monthly updates. Every month you will receive an update in Power BI. That means if your company, you own a company, your startup company releases a new product, immediately Microsoft will contact you and take the integration to Power BI. Such a wonderful service given in Microsoft Power BI level. So Power BI announced in 2013 July. Look at this point only. And from 2013 July to till this month, we have every month update. Is it a good component or not? Definitely good component with many features, cloud, on-premises, mobile tab friendly, any type of data, low code, wonderful embedding, wonderful visuals, monthly updates. Multiple differences, I said. And I'm concluding now in this area. MSBA having multiple tools to perform end-to-end operation. Coming to Power BI level, no multiple tools, but you can do the operation by using concepts. This is a tool 1, tool 2, tool 3, and this is called a suite, self-service BI suite. And Power BI is a self-service BI single application. This is the beauty. In this application level, this is the first concept available to perform this operation. Second concept available to do this operation. Third concept available to do this operation. Concept 3. So how Microsoft reducing the process complexity? Firstly, multiple tools. Let us single suite multiple tools. Now, single application, multiple concepts. This is the reason why people run behind Power BI. One application sufficient, which will bring the data and generate report. That practical we will see tomorrow, how it happens. Then what is Azure BI? That I will tell you tomorrow, don't worry. Right. So what is MSBA? Why Power BI release? Got clarity? Now, next one. So BA applications available from 1990 and Power BI released 2013. Then what is Power Platform? Microsoft got very good applause with respect to Power BI. Everyone appreciated Power BI, Power BI reporting, Power BI capability, Power BI support. So they decided to release such kind of components multiple. That is Power Platform. So Power Platform is an area where you see multiple low-code components. And Power BI now it is part of Power Platform. This was given in 2019 and Power BI under Power Platform from 19. So Power BI is a low-code component. What it does? It will generate dashboards and reports. Second low-code component, Power Apps. And it will generate mobile and tab-friendly apps. In our mobile level, tab level, multiple apps we are using. Those apps you want to create quickly without writing any code possible. Third one, Power Automate. It's a low-code application where a robotic process automation we implement. Automated process you can implement. One simple example. As soon as you receive an email from your manager with high importance, you need a mobile alarm. In your email box, high importance email, if you receive from your manager, you need mobile alarm. Yes, that is called automation. We can do it by using Power Automate, but without writing much code. That is advantage. Virtual agent. Any website you open nowadays, any mobile app, a tab app you open, on the right-hand side, you will find one user icon and a message. How may I assist you? That is called chatbot. Those chatbots you want to create without writing much code possible by using a virtual agent. You recently started a small firm in your local area. You want to create a website. You want to create a web page. Then no need to write any coding. Just go to Power Pages and use the existing templates. Just identify the template. What are the details you want to fill it. Your web page or website is ready. These are the 5 components available in the Power Platform. 1, 2, 3 people using highly. Wonderful market we have this. Yes, there are opportunities for Power Apps. There are opportunities for Power Automate in the current market. And these are part of Power Platform. Again, Microsoft seen one bad situation. Microsoft expected all the Power components companies use combinedly, but no company is using combinedly. They noticed, and finally, they given a new component in 2023, this year in the month of June. You are very lucky. And this component is not just BI component, it is AI-enabled component. AI-enabled components. So now Power BI under Microsoft Fabric. Fabric is an AI-enabled component area. Earlier only Power BI, Power Platform. Now no more Power BI, no more Power Platform. So Power BI under Fabric, Microsoft Fabric. So Fabric is the area where you find, I will show you. Last topic. Fabric is the area where you use data factory for data engineering. It is a component. I will explain this very detailed in the regular class because it will take 20 minutes time to explain. Now I'm just giving heads up. Now, this is for data engineering or data processing. And this is data storage, analytics, and data science operations, and AI operations, and Power BI for reporting. Data activator, data governance. So Microsoft noticed after Power Platform release, no one is using Power Platform components combinedly. They are taking Power BI along with data factory, along with data storage, along with some other, and implementing a BA process. So they decided, why don't we give data loading one component, data storage one component, reporting one component, and data monitoring one component as a single pack. The single pack is Microsoft Fabric. So next 3 months, you may not see the market, but after 3 months, you will find Fabric opportunity where Power BI high priority for 3 years. The next opportunities are Microsoft Fabric developers, Fabric resources. So upfront, I'm giving you alert. So this is the history of data to Microsoft Fabric and Power BI in this area. So conclusion, we have 3 types of data, 2 types of IT applications. Second type of IT application is BI, and Power BI comes under BI application which generate reports and dashboards. And earlier Power BI standalone. In the middle, it joined with Power Platform. Now it is in Microsoft Fabric. So this is the data to Microsoft Fabric hierarchy. And coming to tomorrow I'm going to explain this example, practical example. I will take just my family data, my daily data, daily expenses. And from the expenses, I will generate a report like this tomorrow. How much money I spent in a particular month, for which reason I spent more money, which reason I spent less money. I will create a report like this. For that, what are the tools required? What are the process required? Everything I will explain tomorrow. Is that clear? Right. So how do you conclude Power BI? Power BI, a low code, cloud and on-premises supportive, self-service BI component, self-service BI component with multiple concepts for reports and dashboards generation. So this is the definition, brief definition of Power BI, a low-code application. So guys, 1 minute. I'll open for everyone questions. It's a low-code application, which is cloud and on-premises supportive, self-service BI component, end-to-end it will do with multiple concepts for reports and dashboards generation. What about MSBA? First BI from Microsoft. And this is on-premises BI. Microsoft with multiple tools to perform end-to-end operations and generate a report or dashboard. On-premise BA suite. On-premises within your company level, you will install the BA components and perform end-to-end operation, generate reports or dashboards. Coming to Power BI, a low-code application, first point. Both it will support. Second point, self-service BA component with concepts. Third point, report and dashboard generation. Got clarity? Right. I'm done with the first demo. And in case anything related to your personal profile, you want to talk to me, this is my mobile number. In these timings, you can reach out. And classes, very detailed classes, as I told you. And I'm going to cover cloud as well as on-premises. Both I'm covering. Along with that, Power Apps and Power Automate, some understanding. And daily video you will receive. and 2 near real-time projects, multiple case studies we'll do in the class. Theoretical and practical, both materials will provide you. Prerequisite, nothing is required. Any graduate can learn Power BI. And it is a low-code component. I'm done.